Kim Ok-bin is a South Korean actress. She rose to international prominence following her role in Chan Wook Park's horror film Thirst. She has been given the chance to prove herself more than once in several different projects in the last few years, and she has done an amazing job. Coming from a very humble background, she entered the industry after participating in an online beauty pageant. She trained in martial arts as a child and has attained third dan in Hapkido and second dan in Taekwondo, all of which helped her land her role in the 2017 action film The Villainess. She also practices Muay Thai and boxing, enjoys cars and motorcycles speed racing, building computers sports such as soccer and baseball. In 2023, she appeared in Love to Hate You. Her performance in the fantasy drama series made her a household name in South Korea. In 2015, she appeared as the leading lady in the courtroom drama film Minority Opinion, which was adapted from a novel of the same name. In 2017, she appeared in the action thriller film The Villainess, where she played a highly skilled assassin with a dark past. The film opened in the Cannes Film Festival, and for her role, Kim was nominated for Buell Film Awards, Grand Bell Awards and the Seoul Awards for her amazing performance. After a very long hiatus of 7 years, she made a comeback to the television with the historical fiction series Blade and the Petal, where she played the leading role as Princess So-hee. The drama was a success and was subsequently telecast on demand in many other neighboring markets. After a break from the big screen for 2 years, Kim made a comeback with the 2011 war drama film The Front Line. She was appreciated for playing the role of a North Korean sniper in the film, which revolved around the Korean War. In 2014, Kim received an Excellence Award at the Appan Star Awards for her leading role in the series Yo Nas Street and received a nomination at the Baeksang Arts Awards for the same. Kim Ok-bin was romantically involved with her Yo Na Street co-star Lee Hee-jun, but after 6 months of dating, the couple broke up. She was selected for the horror film Voice. She was one of the 3 new actresses chosen for the role and hit a home run with her debut film itself. In the film, Kim played the role of a wandering soul. She received several award nominations for her acting and the film. Still a teenager, she started getting offers of mature roles owing to the success of her first film. In November 2022, Kim signed with Ghost Studio. People are loving her acting skills and her role in different drama serials. That is the main reason for her popularity.